Welcome, everyone, to another episode of Plumbing Shenanigans with the Ashy Plumber. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of installing an A.O. Smith electric water heater. But before we begin, let's talk safety. Remember, always wear your protective gear, turn off the power, and shut off the water supply. Safety first, folks. Now, let's kick things off by draining the old water heater. It's like giving it a much-needed spa day. Except instead of cucumbers on its eyes, we're draining it of all its water. Ah, the life of a water heater. Fun fact, did you know that water heaters can last up to 15 years with proper maintenance? That's longer than most Hollywood marriages. Next, we'll disconnect the old water heater and bid it farewell. It's like saying goodbye to an old friend, but fear not, because its replacement is ready to take its place. And here it is, the star of our show. The brand new A.O. Smith electric water heater. It's shiny, it's new, and it's ready to make a splash in your home. Get it? Splash? Because it's a water heater? Ah, never mind. As we attach the new water heater, let's remember to use the right tools for the job. Just like you wouldn't use a toothbrush to paint a house, you wouldn't use the wrong wrench to tighten a nut. It's all about finding the perfect fit. Joke. Why did the water heater break up with the electric blanket? Because it couldn't handle the heat. Ah, the pipes, the unsung heroes of plumbing. We'll connect the pipes to the new water heater with the precision of a surgeon. Well, maybe not that precise, but you get the idea. Just remember, measure twice, cut once, and you'll be golden. When working with pipes, always check for leaks before turning the water back on. A leaky pipe is like a broken heart. It needs immediate attention. Once the pipes are connected, it's time to turn the water back on and check for any leaks. If all looks good, it's time to turn on the power and let the water heater work its magic. And voila, you've just installed an A.O. Smith electric water heater like a pro. And there you have it, folks. Another successful installation brought to you by Plumbing Shenanigans with the Ashy Plumber. Remember, with a little know-how and a lot of humor, you can tackle any plumbing project with confidence. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep those pipes flowing and those jokes rolling. Hey there, plumbing enthusiasts! The Ashy Plumber here, bringing you another fun and informative video on installing an A.O. Smith electric water heater. I hope you enjoyed watching the installation process and picked up some useful tips along the way. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to the channel for more plumbing shenanigans. Now, for a little joke to brighten your day. Why did the toilet paper roll down the hill? To get to the bottom. I promise the plumbing jokes are better than that one in the video. So let's get this comment section buzzing. Tell me, have you ever installed a water heater before? Any funny or challenging experiences? Share them below, and let's keep the conversation flowing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video with more plumbing adventures. Cheers. Hey there, plumbing enthusiasts. The Ashy Plumber here, back with some important information about the electrical side of installing an A.O. Smith electric water heater. Safety is always our top priority, especially when dealing with 240 volts of electricity. When connecting the electrical wiring, it's crucial to follow the manufacturer's instructions and local building codes. Start by turning off the power at the breaker box and double-checking with a voltage tester to ensure the power is off. Never assume the power is off without testing it first. Use the correct gauge of wire for the amperage of your water heater, and make sure all connections are secure. If you're not comfortable working with electricity, it's best to hire a licensed electrician to do the job. Remember, safety first. Always wear rubber-soled shoes and insulated gloves when working with electrical components. Avoid working in wet or damp conditions and never touch electrical components with wet hands. So, let's keep safety in mind as we tackle this project. If you have any questions or tips for handling electrical components safely, share them in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more plumbing tips and tricks. Stay safe, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.